removes stubborn oil film, improves windshield clarity, enhances driving safety, reduces glare, and ensures better visibility in all weather conditions. My today's video is about top 5 best glass oil film remover for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at generic 2PCS glass oil film remover. Best glass oil film remover for cars delivers impressive cleaning performance for drivers who struggle with stubborn windshield contamination. Its emulsion-based formula combines mild abrasives and non-ionic surfactants that effectively break down oil film, road grime, insect splatter, bird droppings, tree sap, and rain stains without scratching glass surfaces. The roll-on applicator with scrubbing pad ensures smooth, even coverage, making application simple even for beginners. After cleaning, it leaves a protective layer that resists recontamination, reduces fogging, and improves visibility during rain, fog, and night driving while minimizing glare for safer journeys. Beyond automotive use, it also works well on household glass such as shower doors and windows, removing fingerprints and water spots efficiently. The compact yet 100 ml capacity design makes it convenient for both car storage and home use, offering long-lasting, reliable glass clarity whenever needed. Overall, it is a practical, effective, and user-friendly solution for maintaining spotless, safe, and clear glass surfaces daily with minimal effort required always. Now our second product is X5 Glass Oil Film Remover. This car glass emulsion cleaner kit offers a highly effective solution for restoring windshield clarity and improving driving safety in all conditions. The 100G glass degreasing emulsion is formulated with mild abrasives and non-ionic surfactants that penetrate deep into stubborn oil film and dirt layers. It efficiently removes road grease, insect marks, bird droppings, rain stains, sap, mud, and other long-term contaminants without damaging the glass surface, leaving it smooth and crystal clear. The included powerful cleaning brush head enhances scrubbing performance, while the roll-on application system with a cleaning board ensures even distribution of the product. This design eliminates messy handling and allows users to clean glass effortlessly with consistent results. After application, it restores high transparency, significantly improving night driving visibility and performance in rainy or foggy weather by reducing glare and haze. Suitable for both front and side windows, it is a practical and user-friendly maintenance tool for safer, clearer driving experiences. Our third product is LaFoxLa Windshield Glass Oil Film Remove. This car glass oil film cleaner and coating kit delivers a practical all-in-one solution for maintaining crystal clear visibility on automotive and household glass surfaces. The hydrophobic windshield coating forms a strong water-repellent layer that helps rainwater bead off quickly, significantly improving visibility during heavy rain and reducing driving risk. Its powerful formula effectively removes stubborn oil film, grime, and buildup, restoring a clean, streak-free finish on windshields, windows, and mirrors. The integrated liquid brush and glass cleaning board make application simple and controlled, ensuring even coverage without mess. It also provides anti-fog protection, which is especially useful in changing weather conditions, helping maintain clear vision in both hot and humid environments. Beyond automotive use, it works well on shower doors, home windows, and mirrors, offering versatile cleaning performance. Compact and easy to use, it requires only a simple wipe or application step, making it convenient for quick maintenance. Overall, it enhances safety, clarity, and driving confidence in all weather conditions. Now number 4, Kifer Oil Film Remover. This advanced oil film remover is designed to restore true crystal clear visibility by effectively eliminating stubborn contaminants from automotive glass. It quickly breaks down road grime, oil film, water spots, wax residue, and washer fluid buildup that standard cleaners often fail to remove. The result is a dramatically improved, distortion-free view through windshields, side windows, and mirrors, enhancing driving safety both day and night. Its specialized formula delivers a streak-free, haze-free finish while also reducing glare from sunlight and headlights, which is especially beneficial in rain, fog, or nighttime driving conditions. Unlike ordinary glass cleaners, it targets deeply embedded residues, ensuring a more thorough and long-lasting clean. Application is simple and time-efficient. Just spread the product, allow it to act, and wipe away for instant clarity. Ideal for regular maintenance or quick roadside cleaning, it keeps glass in optimal condition with minimal effort. Safe for automotive glass surfaces when used correctly, it offers a reliable and professional-grade solution for maintaining superior driving visibility and comfort. And our last choice is Tortark Handheld Glass Oil Film Remover. This upgraded oil film cleaning brush offers a practical and efficient solution for maintaining clear automotive glass. Designed with an ergonomic handheld bottle, it ensures comfortable grip and easy control during use. The snap-fit brush head system provides strong stability, while the included reusable replacement head adds long-term value. The 20% wool composite bristles deliver balanced friction, effectively removing oil film, dirt, and grime without damaging non-coated glass surfaces. Its professional-grade abrasive formula enhances cleaning power, restoring windshield clarity while maintaining surface safety when used correctly. After application, it leaves a mirror-clear finish with strong hydrophobic properties, improving water repellency and boosting visibility during rain, ultimately enhancing driving safety. The rotating cap and air pressure balance design prevent leakage, keeping the tool clean and travel-friendly even when stored upside down. Additionally, its TSCA non-toxic and odorless formulation ensures safer use. Overall, this 2-in-1 cleaning tool combines strong performance, convenience, and safety, making windshield maintenance faster, cleaner, and more effective for everyday driving conditions. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.